lot thinner, a lot lighter, has kind of a new shape, and it has a power on and power off button on the right side instead of the top this year. And looking on the phone, we can see an extra row of icons and a few other characteristics, as this does have a 4.7-inch display, but Apple did release the iPhone 6 Plus, which has a 5.5-inch display. So without further delay, let's go ahead and get dropping. So I filled my sink up with some water, and I'm actually going to start a stopwatch on this guy just to see how long it lasts when it is submerged, and just get an idea of how long it can be underwater before problems start to occur. So immediately once it's submerged, we can actually see air bubbles coming out from the headphone jack and lightning port. This pretty much means water is going into the phone, because when water goes in one place, air has to come out the other. So it's just going to start to air bubble for the next minute or so, and then problems might occur. So the stopwatch has been going perfectly fine, and then at 53 seconds or so, the phone stops, and that's kind of when you know the problems have hit the phone. We can see that now the right side of the phone has become black, and it's just going to spread amongst the entire device, kind of glitch out a bit here, and at this point you know your phone is pretty much fried. So air bubbles are still coming out of the phone, although it is not turning on. So I'm just going to take it out, try to power it on, and see if we have any luck. As last year I was able to, and then a blue screen did come on. So just hitting the power button on the side, it doesn't appear that anything is working. I've actually done the hard reset method where you hold the power button down for 5 seconds, then you do it with the home button for 10 seconds, and then let it go and hold down the home button for another 5 seconds, and it appears this phone is completely fried.
I have a brand new iPhone 6 here, fully working. Here's the back. Let me unlock it. And we're going to be doing something really cool to this phone. We're going to be boiling this, but not in just some regular water. In some Coca-Cola, some great refreshing, look at that, Santa, Coca-Cola. And if you guys have never seen what happens when you boil this, you guys are going to be in for a treat. So basically, while this is going to be at its boiling peak, I'm going to throw this in. We're going to start around, see what happens. So without any further ado, guys, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, guys, so we have the Coke. Finally, look at this state. It's like syrup. Super thick. Most of the water has evaporated, and this is just all the sugar and the starch. And we're going to go ahead and put the iPhone 6 right in here. Just taking a look again. Very, very thick, almost slimy goo type of thing. So let's go ahead. Here's the iPhone, guys, one more time. Guess I could put record. I don't know if it would really matter, but let's just do it anyways. So here it is, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. It's absorbing it. Oh, there's the temperature warning sign. And it's almost eating it up. Look at that, it's all covered now. And we're just gonna go ahead and take this spoon. Oh man. Because I heard it solidifies too afterwards, so just flipped it over. And look at this stuff. Guys, check this out. I've stopped the heat. And look at this. Look at all of that. Oh man. It's like charcoal. Ah, oh, it's so black. And the iPhone, I can't even touch the iPhone because it's solidifying. Oh, there it goes. Coke covered iPhone. This is oh Okay, okay.